In today's digital world, a professional and visually appealing website can set you apart from your competitors. It helps in building trust with customers, showcasing your products beautifully, and boosting sales. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting content on web design and online business tips. Today, we are diving into a really exciting topic: how to create a stunning watch store online. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to revamp your current watch website, this video is for you. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First things first, why is having a well-designed watch store website so important? For a luxury item like a watch, presentation matters a lot. People want to see quality images, read detailed descriptions, and have a smooth, easy to navigate shopping experience. So let's look at the steps to achieve that. Choosing the right platform for your website. Step 1 is choosing the right platform to build your watch store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms are beginner friendly and come with great features for e-commerce. If you're looking for something easy to use and scalable, Shopify could be the way to go. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is perfect for those who already have a WordPress website and want to integrate e-commerce functionality. Whichever platform you choose, make sure it supports mobile responsiveness and easy customization. Now, let's talk about the key features every watch website must have. Responsive design. Your website must look great on all devices, mobile, tablets, and desktops. High quality images and videos. Use crisp, detailed images and videos to showcase watches from various angles. Easy navigation. Simplify the user experience with intuitive menus, filters for brands, styles, and price ranges. Product descriptions. Provide detailed descriptions including specifications like materials, dimensions, and features. Search functionality. A powerful search bar to help users quickly find the watch they are looking for. Secure payment gateway. Ensure multiple payment methods with strong encryption to build trust with buyers. Customer reviews and ratings. Showcasing user reviews boosts credibility and helps buyers make informed decisions. Wishlist and compare features. Let customers save products or compare different watches before making a decision. Social media integration. Encourage visitors to share their favorite watches on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Next, let's dive into some website design tips that can really help attract more clients. Minimalist design. Keep your layout clean and clutter-free, with plenty of white space to make your product stand out. Fast loading speed. A slow website can drive potential customers away. Optimize images and code to ensure your website loads quickly. Clear call to actions or CTAs. Use prominent, persuasive CTAs like buy now, view collection, or add to cart to guide users. Mobile optimization. Ensure your website is mobile friendly since many customers browse and shop on their phones. User-friendly interface. Make navigation easy so users can find what they're looking for without hassle. Visual hierarchy. Highlight the most important elements like featured products or special deals using contrasting colors and size. Trust signals. Add trust badges, secure payment icons, and customer testimonials to build trust with visitors. SEO optimization. Ensure your site is optimized for search engines to increase visibility and attract more organic traffic. Now, let's talk about how much it costs to create a watch website. The cost of a watch website can vary based on features and design, but here's a general breakdown. Basic website, USD 500 to USD 700 for a simple layout with essential pages like home, about, products, and contact. E-commerce features. Add USD 700 to 1200 for product listings, payment gateways, and shopping carts. Custom design. Custom branding and unique design elements can range from USD 1500 to USD 2000. SEO and marketing. Ongoing SEO and digital marketing efforts typically cost USD 300 to USD 1000 per month. Overall, the total cost could range from USD 2000 to USD 5000 depending upon the complexity. And now, why should you choose Softtrix? Let's break it down. Softtrix has been in the business of delivering high quality websites for years, and here's why they stand out. Experience. With years of experience and a solid portfolio, Softtrix has worked with clients across various industries, building websites that truly reflect their brand. Affordable pricing. We offer competitive pricing without compromising on quality. Whether you are a startup or an established business, we have packages that fit your budget. Dedicated support. Our dedicated support team is always ready to help, ensuring your website is up to the date and functioning smoothly. When you work with Softtrix, a professional website development company in Mohali, here's how the process typically works. Initial consultation. We start by understanding your business needs and goals. Planning. Next, we create a sitemap and wireframes to map out your website structure. Design and development. Our team of designers and developers work together to bring your vision to life. Testing. Before the website goes live, we run extensive tests to ensure everything functions perfectly. Launch and support. Finally, we launch your website and offer ongoing support to keep it updated and secure. Here's what one of our clients has to say about our services.
Hi, my name's Brenda, and I just want to give a quick shout out to Jay and his wonderful team. I have gone through a few coders, and he is my go-to. He's the one that's doing a wonderful job on my website, the design work, and the coding. So I highly recommend Ajay.
To sum it up, building a stunning watch store online is all about focusing on a clean design, quality product pages, and ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Keep your website simple yet visually appealing, and optimize it for both desktop and mobile users. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful watch store online. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more web design tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.